Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on this piece I have behind me, this sideboard buffet. The brand is Thomasville. When I see this on the Facebook Marketplace for $75, I jump on it and I buy this. Let's go to outside, do the paperwork. Let's go to start. After the first coat dry overnight, it's time to the second coat. It's covered very well the first coat. Before I'm apply the second coat, I'm go sand with my 400 degree sand block. Just light sanding. I do a light sanding between coats. After 3 coats of paint, the last coat to dry overnight, is time to protect my piece. I'm going to protect my buffet with Polycrylic in clear satin. I'm going to use the same brush I paint for have less stroke marks. I'm going to apply 3 coats of top coat on the top and 2 coats on the body. Now I'm going to clean up my hardware with my Barket's friend. Now I'm going to do a light metallic gold paint. I'm going to protect my buffet with Fidian wax inside. I love so much how this buffet turns out. The black is so elegant with this gold hardware, make this buffet glamorous. I'm in love. And that base I really love. Now you can buy me a coffee or check my Amazon wish list. That will be helpful to my channel and I can keep do the contents like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video like I did to make it, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye.